Hello, so I want to show you what it looks like when you get a notification that you've got an assignment for completing, and how you complete that and submit it. So you might be able to see over here on the menu, I've got some red notifications. That tells me something has happened. And if I look just here, you can see, although your class will be called something different, I've got a red number 1 and got some activity there. If I go into it, I can see here there is a new assignment being assigned, and there's a view assignment button there. You did notice, or you may have noticed, that activity also had a red mark on. As you can see, the same thing there in yellow, just fading out to say that there's an assignment being posted. You can click on view assignment there. You can also, if you haven't got any notifications, go straight to the assignments tab. And once you get in there, you'll have your class rather than that one. And in this screen, it will show you all the assignments you've completed. I've been very busy completing all of those, and some assignments that have been assigned to you but not yet completed. Oh dear, I'm late doing this science experiment one, but the one that's just been posted is the powerful opening sentence one. So I'm going to go into that. I can click on view assignment on either of those previous screens or this one just here, and it will open it up. So I've got here, it's due tomorrow. I've got the instructions from the teacher. Write a powerful opening sentence for your story. Think about the words and feelings that will hook the reader in and want to read on. On this occasion, I've been given, if you see here, a document to open. It's a OneNote document. Sometimes you'll have an attachment to do some work on. Sometimes you might not. If the home learning activity is just your spellings for the week, it may list the words here on the instructions. You won't need to do anything. It's just a way of communicating it with you. You may, however, not be given a document to work on. You can use Add Work. Add Work means that you can attach, just like you would to an email, anything at all. There may be something saved in your OneDrive, which is your cloud file. You can create a new Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or class notebook page. Once you've made a new one, you can then open it and put your work onto it. Or if you've already done the work and it's on your computer, you can go to upload from this device, just as you would, as I say, attaching a file to an email. On this occasion, I don't need to, because I've been given a OneNote page to do something on. So I'm just going to tap on that and open it up. There's nothing there other than ready for me to do my work. So let's have a think. It was a dark and stormy winter night. I don't know how that is for an opening sentence. You could do a lot better, I'm sure. But while we're in OneNote, we can just have a quick look along. As you can see, you can do similar things to what you will be familiar with in Word, inserting pictures or tables, drawing your own pictures, which works particularly well if you're on a tablet rather than a laptop. You can also insert audio files. If I wanted to pop that there, because I'm working remotely using Microsoft Teams to record this, I don't know that it will work, but I can give it a go. It was a dark and stormy winter night. Click on stop. It looks like I can play it. So I'm going to listen to what I recorded. I can give it a go. It was a dark and stormy. So there we go. So that worked perfectly all right. Oops. You can also, the dictation tool is really quite clever as well. It's very sophisticated. If I didn't want to type it because my typing wasn't that quick, I could have dictated. You have to click somewhere for it to type, first of all. and then I'll use the dictate button. It was a dark and stormy winter night, full stop. Okay, so you just click on the microphone there to start it and stop it. You may have noticed as I was doing various things, the file was automatically saving. I wasn't needing to save anything because the little cloud there with the tick was doing as I went along. So if I'd now finished my piece of homework, I don't need to save anything. I can just go to save. Sorry, I can just go to close and it will have automatically saved it. There we go. That's it. So it saved it in this file. I'll just open it up again just to check it's there. There we go. It is there. But I'm going to close it again. So I finished my work. I'm fairly happy with that. I think I did a good job. I'm sure you could have done much better. I'm now going to hand in the work. There we go. So that's now handed in. You can see there it says I've handed it in. If I go back to my assignments, you can see it's no longer in my assigned section. It's now in my completed section.